Running a car dealership is a thrilling ride, but let's face it, it comes with its fair share of bumps. Accidents can happen, customers can take a tumble, property can get dinged up, and these bumps can cost you a pretty penny. That's why you need Garage Liability Insurance. Think of it as a sturdy shield protecting your business. Garage Liability Insurance swoops in to save your business from financial disasters. Whether it's accidents, lawsuits, or property damage, it's got your back. This insurance isn't just a smart move. Depending on your state, it might even be the law for car dealerships. Without it, you could be in for a world of trouble. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Get your Garage Liability Insurance today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with it, so you can focus on what you do best, making those car sales. Let's dive into the world of Garage Liability Insurance. This isn't your average insurance. It's tailor-made for businesses that live and breathe cars. It's a must-have for a variety of businesses. Used car dealers, repair shops, wholesalers, and body shops, everyone needs it. If your business has anything to do with cars, this insurance is your best friend. Why is it so crucial? Let's break it down. It covers injuries to customers on your turf. It also covers damage to vehicles under your watch. Plus, it protects against any damage your business might cause to others. Don't roll the dice. Lock in your business's safety with Garage Liability Insurance. It's an investment that keeps you cruising smoothly through any unexpected bumps in the road. Understanding what Garage Liability Insurance covers is the key to picking the perfect policy. First up, it covers bodily injury liability. Think of it as a safety net for medical expenses. This means the policy will swoop in to cover medical bills. These bills come from injuries to someone on your property. Ouch! Next, it covers property damage liability. Think of it as a repair fund for mishaps. This means the policy will handle repair costs. These costs come from damage your business causes to someone else's property. Yikes! Third, it covers premises liability. Think of it as a shield for your showroom. This means the policy will cover accidents that happen on your business property. For example, if a customer slips and falls in your showroom, you're covered. Finally, it covers test drives and vehicle movement. Vroom vroom. This means the policy will cover accidents during test drives. It also covers accidents while vehicles are being moved within your lot. Safety first. Garage Liability Insurance is a great start, but why stop there? Let's jazz up your protection with some extra coverage options. Think of these as the sprinkles on your insurance sundae, tailored just for you. First up, dealer's open lot coverage. It's a fan favorite. This gem protects all those shiny cars in your inventory, especially the ones basking in the sun, not tucked away in a garage. Essential for dealerships with outdoor lots. Don't leave home without it. Next, garage keepers coverage. Think of it as a safety net while you're working your magic on a customer's vehicle. It covers mishaps like fire, theft, vandalism, or even Mother Nature's tantrums. Business property coverage is your go-to for protecting your physical assets. From your building to your tools and inventory, it's all covered. And yes, it also shields you from fire, theft, vandalism, and natural disasters. By mixing and matching these options, you can create a policy that's as unique as your dealership. So go ahead, choose the perfect level of protection, and sleep easy knowing you're covered. Now we're diving into the nitty-gritty of what makes your Garage Liability Insurance tick. Ready to uncover the secrets behind those premiums? Let's roll. First up, state requirements. Yep, those pesky laws can really shake things up. Each state has its own rules and they can make a big difference in your costs. Think of it as a game of state-by-state bingo. Each state has its own minimum liability limits, and these limits can either save you some cash or make your wallet cry. Got a lot of dealer plates? More cars mean more fun, but also more risk. And you guessed it, more risk means higher premiums. And let's not forget about your team. The number of employees and their driving records can either be your best friend or your worst enemy. More employees with spotless records? You're golden. But if they've got a history of fender benders, brace yourself for higher premiums. Finally, the type and amount of coverage you choose is like picking your ride. Want all the bells and whistles? It's gonna cost you. But hey, peace of mind is priceless, right? Don't pay more when you don't have to. Here are some smart savings tips for lowering your insurance costs. While Garage Liability Insurance is a must-have, there are some cool ways to save money. Here are some nifty tips to keep your insurance premiums in check. First up, keep those driving records squeaky clean for all your employees. Insurance companies love businesses with stellar driving records. They see you as a low-risk superstar. Next, pick a prime spot for your dealership. Areas with low crime and fewer accidents are like gold mines for lower premiums. Amp up your security game at the dealership. Security cameras, alarms, and gated lots are your best friends against theft and vandalism. And guess what? This can lead to some sweet premium reductions. By following these fun strategies, you can keep your insurance costs in check. This way, you get the coverage you need without emptying your wallet. Happy saving! Time for the grand finale. Getting a quote for garage liability insurance is as easy as pie. We recommend using All-American Bonds and Insurance for your garage liability insurance. Just go to www.quickerbonds.com to apply for quote. All-American Bonds and Insurance are the experts in garage liability insurance. They not only offer the lowest rates in town, but they also offer expert advice and can help you save on your surety bond as well. Your business is your livelihood, so don't trust just anyone. Trust the experts. You can find the link to get a quote for your insurance in our bio. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks for car dealers.